ISBD stands for the International Standard Bibliographic Description. ISBD is developed and maintained by IPLA. The main purpose of ISBD is to provide a standard format for bibliographic description. How many areas of description are included in ISBD? That is 8. Which punctuation mark is used in ISBD to separate parallel titles? Equal to. The first edition of ISBD was published in 1971. The ISBD General International Standard was issued in 1977. The Statement of Responsibility is a part of which ISBD area? That is title and Statement of Responsibility area. Which ISBD area includes information about publisher, place and date? Publication distribution area. Which symbol separate title from statement of responsibility in ISBD? That is slash. Which ISBD area provides data like pagination and size? Physical description area. The symbol semicolon is used in ISBD to separate title and subtitle. The ISBD is primarily useful for the Union Catalog and bibliographies. Which area of ISBD includes the edition statement? That is edition area. How is the notes area represented in ISBD? That is area 7. ISBD provides rules for the bibliographic record display. Which ISBD punctuation precedes the physical description area? That is dot, comma. The ISBD punctuation marks are important because they aid in separating different elements of a record. ISBD is essential for bibliographic interoperability. The ISBD principles have been integrated into which cataloging codes, that is AACR2 and RDA.